What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, as you can see, the trailer's hooked up to Dover's 250. So you can usually tell what that means. I do gotta get my wallet out of the truck. You can usually tell whenever the trailer's hooked up, we might be doing something. So here we go. Headed out, and I have not told you guys, but the wild strawberry car is gone. Alex is still very broken up about it, but somebody made him a great offer and it's gone. But Alex, we're going to get you something else, right?
As usual.
See, Alex told me, nah, I'm not gonna get another Fox body, blah, blah, blah. But as you can clearly see, we're headed to go get another Fox body, and you're gonna love this. I can't wait. Let's go. All right, boys, we are over at Corey's. You know this car. But Alex, is this you, dude? Look at Alex. What the 4i?
For a coupe.
And a coupe, yeah. Heck yeah, buddy. We have the 4i. Looking good. I like where this is going. Yeah. Yeah, this is gonna be a winner right here. All right, Alex, crank her up, man. Let's. He'll start, won't it?
Yeah, look here. I do like I ride on the front.
Yeah.
That cranks and runs great. Did you see the 250 on a 4-wheel on there the other day for 5?
Clean. All original, whole 9 yards. Had it throttle about twice.
Better dead.
Dead.
Yeah, it gets better
I got
dead.
something on.
Let's get this battery hooked up. See, we came to get Alex a car, and now he's on the 3-wheeler.
I told him I'd put him on it.
Bring it back to memory.
Bring it back.
All right, it's ready, Dover. Oh,
Yeah.
son. I've seen that before.
No,
All right, let's hear the beast.
that will get you killed.
You ain't used to it.
No, I don't like it. Oh, man.
When you how you lay into it, you know.
Well, maybe. Maybe?
All right.
You got it loose today. All right.
Hold on. All right.
Well, geez. What'd you do? Oh. I did. They trying to pull all that juice through that weak connection.
All right.
Woo! Yes, sir. Yeah, sounds real good.
Leave it to fire back up. That starter's made a noise ever since Gary picked it up. That starter's made that noise. When you crank it, it sounds like it'll stay engaged for a second. It goes out.
Sounds healthy though. All right, so we got to move the Coyote car out. Dover, you got enough headroom in there?
This is great.
E85, baby. I love it. All right, get this bad boy pulled out.
Yeah.
It's a project car.
Hey, that's step one. Door pins.
Yep. Project car.
Now when I told that boy on the strawberry coupe the other day, he said, drop the door, drop it down just a little bit. I said, oh man, it just pushes fixed it.
Yeah, push.
Ain't nothing to it. Hopefully it'll start. Maybe.
Clutch is harder than
That was brand new.
He ain't used to that stuff, man. He used to push around like this.
Alex is uptown. He ain't had anything like this in a while. Hey, look at that cam. My God. Huh? Ah, money. You think I open headers or what? Yeah, definitely. All right, let's see if we can get a look up under the car. It is a faux shore Southern car.
Oh, yeah.
Not a drop of rust anywhere. Not undercoated. That's always good.
Factory gray underneath.
Factory gray. That's why it's so loud. But man, this car's in great shape. Good lines. I'm kind of jealous now. Kind of jealous. Super straight little 4-eye notch. Talk about goals right here. All right, y'all, while we're here, we did need to check on, if you're new to the channel, you probably don't even know what this car is, but this is the electric red 93 we're doing the full stock resto on. But yeah, it's very, very slow going, but yeah, it's, you can see the color here, 93 only electric red. But this car is going to be beautiful once it's done. Go back and find some of the old videos if you're not familiar with this car. But she's coming. Lots of body work needed.
Stock airbox now.
Yes, sir.
Smart pump. Stock airbox.
Everything's stock. We'll just put a fresh AOD in it because it was out. But other than that, pretty well stocked. All right, boys, we made her back. Get it unloaded.
Yeah, that fender scares me. I ain't used to it.
Yeah, that trailer floor being raised up definitely helps getting in and out of it. Make sure she's good and straight. Oh man. All right, Alex, so what are the plans for the latest edition?
Just rolling it now.
Just gonna roll with it for a while?
Yeah.
Some paint, you know, maybe.
Back original, great.
Back original gray.
I think it's jammed out good.
Gonna do some 5-lug and all that.
I lug and swap it. We'll be probably out the first year if I swap it.
Okay, so you're gonna put a Coyote in it?
Oh yeah, going Gen 2.
Yes, sir. 6R80.
6R8.
Man, this is gonna be so cool. I can't wait to see this car in paint, 5 lug, swapped. Let Alex work his magic on it. It's going in, this thing is gonna be awesome. I hadn't even looked in the trunk. You got a trunk key?
Well, that trunk key it is.
I think he pushed the button in the glove box. Yes, sir. We finally got a 4i. Pretty clean back there. Yes, sir. Big old battery. Good God.
Yeah, big trucking battery.
Yeah, that's the original color right there. It's like a nice gray. All right, guys. So there you have it. Got another build. This is, of course, Alex, and then you got this one. Keep an eye on for updates on this one. Lots of work going to be starting on this car as well. Then we got to get Patrick's car running. Got to do some stuff on Todd's car. This is going to get top end, maybe. Who knows? Lots of little projects on that one. And as you can see, guys, the content is flowing in. I'm having a hard time actually keeping up with it, but it's going to be awesome. I promise you're not going to want to miss a bit of it. So, in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button because you don't want to miss a single episode. Not even one. And we're going to Mustang Week shortly. And NMRA. And Foxtoberfest. And yeah. So, it's going to be awesome. Alright guys, I got to get back to work. Later.